RX battery, GX battery. We'll get my phone up in here. Where's the buttons? Let's keep the buttons away. Oh, there's a power button. It's going to be hard, isn't it? See whether it works. They get awkward, don't they? Huh? There we go. Well, let's get out of Bixie. Let's get out of there for a minute. Let's close all this. And I want to go to our Wi-Fi. It's going to keep hitting my Bixie button in that Wi-Fi. There it is there. XL Pro 2 connecting. Just checking for quality. Keep Wi-Fi connection. Let's open up our H-Fun Pro. Actually, before we do that, let me start some screen recording. Screen recording, start recording. Go back to our app. There we go. So we don't need that. Settings, let's have a quick look at settings. English, yes, record on. Stabilization on. Alright, so that complete. Calibration. Alright, and put the aircraft in horizontal position, hit calibrate. It's calibrating. It's finished, nearly finished, it's calibrate. Yep, calibration complete. Oh, go back. Back. I want to do a compass calibration, so we have to rotate it this way. If we hear a beep, then this way. Alrighty, so now we're all calibrated. Please take care of your safety. Submit. Alright, so we got that done. This one here is video record. We'll start our video record and see how it goes. Alright, out, brings it up. Then we can do auto takeoff here, slide, and we have our auto takeoff. That is nice stable, look at that. And I'll just take it up a little bit. That's beautiful. I can wave high. It's a very stable drone. That's the new Beast G906S. Let me give it a bit of a wobble, see? No, I'll do that in front of the camera. Show you the gimbal working. So here I am, backwards, forwards, left, right. Beautiful. Gimbal's working great, and it's a nice quiet. Holy smoke! It's a quiet drone. Let's go up a bit. We'll just sit out there for a sec and we'll do a nice slow panoramic Get a nice video record up there, and it still looks a bit quicker on the screen. But now, so we're facing over there. See way over there, you can go a little higher, you'll be able to see the beach. See the beautiful beach over there on the surface? I got a little bit to the left, that's the more beach. There it is there. So yeah. Very nice. Let's bring it back down again. Oh, took a little bit of a one to think for a minute there whether to come down or not. Oh, there's the birds back trying to attack it. Go away, birdies. It's gonna hurt you, bird. We'll do a nice little little bit of a fly around, a bit of a slow fly around. Come back. Get rid of Bixie off our screen. Bixie stopped this recording. So, oh yeah, go look. While I was there, let's take a picture. Keep recording again. I'm not sure which one. I don't remember which one does speed. Speed, that one. Called by Bixie while using. Yeah, I'll have to change that. Speed 2. Introduce a nice flow flying around there. Wow, a bird really wants to get it. It's a beautiful little drone, this one. Wow, I like this a lot. It's very smooth, very good for your cinematic views. Camera down. I think it's this one. Let's come down a little, okay. And this one's camera down. Up, down, okay, up. Now you can see me. Hey! Let's stop video, take a picture, smile, ready, cheers, cheers. Let's see if gesture mode works. Should take a picture of me, I have to bring the camera up a little bit more. Oh, I don't have it turned on yet. Gesture mode. No, video mode. No, alright, let's turn the video mode on. Bring the camera. Get back up there. Back to video recording. Alright, let's bring it back down a bit. That bird's really trying. That's funny. He thinks I'm in his spot, eh? of wind. Yeah, it's fast too, pretty fast right now. Give it alright. I don't like that too much. I want back over here, baby. And down. It's a bird, mate. It's gonna hurt, Maggie. There you go, back. That's optical flow GPS. Sitting there beautiful. There I am again. Hey. Oh, there I am. Say hi. Yep, I like this. Very nice flyer. Look how stable it is, huh? Bring it down a bit. If the wind pushes it around a bit, it just comes back. Back to where it wants to be. And back again. And back again. Up. Yep. Got some balls too. Fast up. Very slow down. Sometimes scares you, eh? When you're thinking, it's not coming down. Just sitting there, nice and stable, looking out over there. What's our battery level at? Yeah, about half. I'll bring it in a little bit. There we go. One more little fly around. And then we'll get out the next drone for a quick review, eh? And there's surface entry. Beautiful place. Let's go up a bit, and take a video of the surface entry. Yeah, let's bring you back down again. Yeah. Oh, the bird got it. I think that one would have hurt.